So why don't we move on and let's talk about something else? Can we talk about something else? Let's talk
Yeah,
about something else. Intel.
sure.
Intel bolsters their engineering leadership with returning technologist Sunil Shenoy and more. The Intel hits just keep on playing. These are classic hits right now. Pat Gelsinger isn't even CEO until February 15th, and he has already rehired the 33-year-old Intel veteran who left the company in 2014. Sunil will be Senior VP and General Manager of the Design Engineering Group. He holds a master's degree in computer engineering. That's good. That's better than like a finance degree. So Sunil's previous work at Intel includes Senior VP and General Manager of previous work at Intel. No, but
Yeah,
previous work
that's
includes
yeah.
General Manager of Sci5's RISC-V program. That's pretty cool. Corporate
Yep.
VP of Intel's Platform Engineering Group. Microprocessor and SoC design across Intel product groups. Visual and Parallel Computing Group lead. Server and PC Silicon Development R&D and Engineering lead. Sunil's responsibilities will overlap with recently departed Jim Keller. And outgoing CEO Bob Swan says he's a proven engineering leader who has deep experience in microprocessor and SoC design and R&D. He will return on February 1st, 2 weeks ahead of Pat Gelsinger taking the reins. Not only that, but VMware alumnus Guido Appenzeller is also joining Intel as CTO of the Data Platforms Group. This is freaking awesome. They are like actually
It's they're forming a sports team. Like this feels like they're going through like recruiting for a sports team.
bringing
Every
together the
week
dream
there's one
team.
to two like big names, and a lot of them are like they're bringing the OGs out of retirement. Like this is crazy. It's really exciting.
Of these hires, incoming CEO Pat Gelsinger says he is, quote, not interested in closing the gaps, but being the unquestioned leader in process technology. You'll see other announcements of key leaders coming back in. This
That's
is sick.
exciting.
This is sick,
That's really exciting.
and I'm excited.